Before officially exporting texture files from Substance Painter, please check each channel to ensure that every channel has the correct colors and values. Then go to the Export Textures window, which has 3 tabs. The first tab is for selecting various export parameters and file paths. The second tab is for choosing the output template. The third tab lists the final names of the exported files. First, we need to select the correct output template. In the second tab, Template, there are preset output templates for different rendering engines. We can choose either the Arnold AI Standard template or the PBR Metallic Roughness template. These 2 templates are almost identical, except for minor differences in terminology between metallic and metalness. Since, in most cases, we only need 4 texture files, and the default template includes height and emissive channels, which we don't need, we need to create a custom template. Right-click on either the Arnold AI Standard template or the PBR Metallic Roughness template and select Duplicate. Rename the duplicated template. Delete the height and emissive channels. If you are not using UDM, you can also remove the UDM suffix. Then, go to the first tab, Global Settings, and set the export path. Select the custom template you just created. If you need to increase the resolution of the exported textures, you can choose a different size. By default, it will use the previous file size. Below Global Settings, you will see the Texture Set list, where you can select the channels you want to export. If there are channels you don't need, you can uncheck them. Go to the third tab to review the final list of exported files and their names. If everything looks correct, click the Export button to complete the process.